Hey guys, today I'm working on a BMW M3 E46. I'm changing out the differential seal, and here it goes. Follow me along as I take care of this. So I'm trying to take it out and it starts to spin around, so I have to change out to a different way how to get it done.
Three, two, one!
Wow!
Take a look. Gotta clean this up and put it back on for a new seal. This one. This is a more upgraded seal. So that's lined up with that line. Use this 32 socket. I already lined it up. So actually I'm gonna put a mark on this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lock this down somehow so I can make it to 9. And I think it was 9 1/4 I did it at. This is actually the drain valve, the drain line, and this is the fill line. So I'm gonna just open this up, and I'm using a, what's this number, H14. I'm just gonna fill it up. I already cracked it already open, and I'm gonna use some liquid moly I got from Auto Oz, 7590. We'll fill it up with that. Fill it up. Let's get this inside of the. I'm gonna fill it up. Nothing like some fresh fluid going in. Look how clear that is. And this is clear. I need to show you what I took out. I didn't get a chance to even video it. I'll show it to you. It's going down. Close it up and check the levels. Needs a lot more. Yeah, I just started running out. I'll just close it off. So it's a quart and I don't know, about a 1.25. Wasn't that bad.